Now I will go over the Students tool. I'm here on the Tools page, and here under the free tier is our Students tool, and you click here. And essentially, this is where you can add students to your studio. Um, Now there are instructions here how to upload your student roster. You can download this. Now this is for Studio Pro users. Now you can still use this tool if you're not a Studio Pro user, but what you can either do is you can manually add each student, which I know would be time consuming, but there is also a template that you can download, and then you fill out that Excel template, making sure to keep the headers and the formatting of the Excel file exactly the same, and then you can upload it. But I'm going to show you how I would do it using Studio Pro. I am now logged into our dance studio's Studio Pro. So where you would want to go is here under the More menu, and you go to Reports. That's the page I'm on right now. The Student tab should be what we default to. And then you'll have two different active student tabs, one that is sorted by first name and one that is by last name. Now, hopefully Studio Pro doesn't change this, but right now, you want the one that's by last name because when you download it, you get it as an Excel file. The one that is by first name is a CSV file or a comma separated value file, and we want the Excel file. So just to protect, since this is a real studio and we have real students with their private information, I'm not going to show you that, but I will tell you, you simply click on the report, scroll to the bottom, and there should be a link that says download Excel. Now I'm back at the student roster page here. And so just to show this real quick, if you want to add a student individually, manually, you can click here and then you fill out this form and click save. But since we downloaded all of our students from Studio Pro, all I have to do now is click this Upload Excel, and then I will choose the file, which I have right here, and I click Open. And once it's loaded, I click Upload, and then you should get a message that it's successful. And now I have all the students listed inside of this table. And you can sort by the name, location, any one of these columns. If you want to edit something, you can click here to edit it, and then it has that information, and you can make an edit to that student. Or if for some reason you want to delete, you can delete. And again, if you want to add a student, you just would click Add here. And then you can choose how many students you have per row. So you can look at 10, 25, 50, or 100, and then you can cycle through page by page. And that is all there is to it. And then, of course, having the student data will allow us to use it for other tools like the birthday widget, which I will be showing you in another video.